Show you guys exactly how to do it. This actually works. It's super insane, guys. So if you do want to get this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get a mod menu for Blox Fruits. So as you can see, guys, this gives you a GUI with fruit notifier, enable dark blade. You can run commands. You got a field of view changer. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to download this. So keep watching the video, guys, and I'm going to show you exactly to get it. This actually works. Super crazy, guys. So if you like Blox Fruits, you probably want this. It's totally working, guys. So keep watching the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it. It's super cool, guys, and it actually works. So yeah, keep watching. I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's get right into the video, guys. So as you can see right here, when we open up the Blox Fruits, we have a bunch of different options. We can run commands and hack and do a lot of cool stuff in the game. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get this. So as you can see, guys, the Blox Fruits is super cool. So fruit detected, I'm going to show you guys exactly to get this mod menu, which is totally working, and it's going to activate. It's super cool. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to download this. So let's get right into the video. It actually works, guys. It's super crazy. So if you are looking for a Blox Fruits mod menu, then watch my video. So what you want to do, guys, is get on your browser, and we're just going to go over to Google. So once you're there, guys, I want you to go over to the search bar and just type in zoo mods. Once you get onto this site, basically we're just going to go to the search bar and type in Blox Fruits. So as you can see, guys, I'm just going to type it in. You can see it says Blox Fruits Mod. So just press on that. It's in download. So be sure to go ahead and try this out because it actually works, guys. It's super crazy, and I really love it. So if you're a Blox Fruits guy, get the dark blade. This is insane, guys. It actually works. So I just wanted to make a video for the people out there that don't have this advantage in life. They don't have a mod or whatever. But as you can see here, I do have this fully working script, which is super cool. So it actually works right here. So yeah, this is super insane, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. Get the word out. This actually does work, and it is super insane. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it and just get the word out about this method. And remember, guys, all you got to do is go over to Google, go to the search bar, and just type in zoo mods. And then once you get onto the site, guys, just go to the search bar and type in Blox Fruits. So as you can see, it says Blox Fruits Mod. You just press on that, you're good to go.